Hello, I'm Sophia, and I want to share with you the story of an ancient and true mysterious event in this video. Harris describes the companions of Ali. One day, during my journey with Ali ibn Abi Talib to the city of Hira, we came across a place where an individual was ringing a gong. At that moment, Ali turned to me and asked, "Oh Harith, do you know the significance of this gong?" Then he went on to explain that the gong serves as a metaphor for the transient and unfaithful nature of the world. He recited, "I bear witness to the oneness of Allah and the truthfulness thereof." It is true, truly, truly. The world has indeed deceived us, occupied and enticed us. It has undermined our reason regarding the hereafter and led us astray. O son of the world, save and delay your worldly pursuits. O son of the world, save and delay your worldly pursuits. O son of the world, each day you are struck and burdened by calamities, pressing one another under pressure in pursuit of worldly gains. Soon, you will be shattered. O son of the world, how long will you accumulate the worldly possessions? Know well that the world will perish, taking generations with it. And not a day passes from our lives without one of our body's pillars growing weaker. We have truly destroyed the remaining abode and settled for the mortal indeed. We have destroyed our eternal home and embraced the transient abode. We do not know for what purpose we have sacrificed for this world, except after we die. Harris says, "On another day, I went back to that person in the monastery and asked him to play the bell as he did before. As he started ringing it, I recited each phrase that Ali had said, and he responded in accordance with the melody until it reached the end. Then the monk asked, "Who taught you this?" Harris replied, "Ali taught me, who had also heard it from the Prophet." The monk then said, "I have read in the Torah that at the end of the prophets, there will come a prophet who will interpret the sound of the bell.